Last lesson I showed you how to find mean, median, and mode of the raw data. Okay? But sometimes data is organized into a table, so it makes it harder to find the measure of center. So how do we deal with it? There's just 2 points. Remember that frequency tells you how many times a data value happened, and then you should also add a product column to help add up all the data values. What does product mean? Product is multiplication. So get those 2 points down, and then I'm going to show you on this data here how you can find the mean, median, and mode if the data has been organized like this.
Bow.
Huh?
Let's try.
So 2 points. Remember, frequency tells you how many times a data value happened. Products column, you can add it to help add up all the data values. How does that apply to this data here? I'll show you.
So it was 2, 6, key in.
Yes, you got the right answer.
Yeah, so I know that.
But are you going to have time, let's say in a test situation, to write out all those numbers? There's a shortcut to do it just with a table. So if we look at the example here, each student in a class of 20, we measured their fitness level and it was between 1 and 10. We organized the data into the table below. What did I show you last lesson? I showed you in the last lesson, how do I find the mean, median, and mode of data that's arranged like this? That's the raw data. Is this raw data or have I put it into a table? It's in a table, okay? And so our student here, you're acknowledging the fact that if you read that, how many times did the fitness level of 5 happen in that data? 1. So if you had time, you could write all that data out. You could go 5. How many times did 6 happen? Twice. So 6. How many times did 7 happen? 7, etc. I don't want you to waste time writing all the data out. The data is already written there. How do you find the mean fitness level? So this is where you could do a product column. Product means multiplication. So product. What is 5 times by 1? It's 5. What is 6 times by 2? It's 12. What is 7 times by 4? 28. 8 times by 7, I believe, is 56. 9 times 4, 36. 10 times by 2 equals 20. And you'll probably ask me, what is the point of that? Why would I add a product column if I've got all the data? Well, if I had 1 5 and 2 6s, what would I be doing to sum up all of the data? I'd be going 5 plus 6 plus 6 plus how many 7s would I add on to that total? 4 of them. I go 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7, right? But if you do the product, do you agree that 6 plus 6 gives you 12? Would 6 plus 6 give you 12?
Mm-hmm.
Would 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 give you 28?
Yeah.
So doing the product is a shortcut of finding the total here. So if you total that up, 5 plus 12 plus 28 plus 56 plus 36 plus 20, 157 is the total. So do I currently know the sum of all the numbers? The mean is going to be 157 divided by, is there anywhere in that table that tells me how many bits of data there were? Which number there tells you how many numbers of data were put? Total of 20. Yep. Where does that come from? Because you had 1 5, 2 6s, 4 7s. How many is that in total? 20. So to find the mean, you go 157 divided by 20, divided by 20. The mean of this is 7.85. Median. Hopefully you got the note down. What was my formula for the median? It was something plus 1 over 2th. What was the something? N. What's the N here? How many numbers are in my table of data? 20. So it's 20 plus 1 over 2th position was 20 plus 1. 21 over 2th position. What is half of 21?
10.5.
So the 10.5th position is the median.
Should be minus.
That's between 10th and 11th.
Be 8.
You're able to see it. That's pretty good. I like that. Some people can't see it right now. How do I find the 10th and 11th position in this table? I can't see all the numbers written out.
Add them up.
You add them up.
So it'd be 8.
If we've got 1, 5, that's the first number. So the 5 there is the first number. What number are we up to if I've got another 2 on top of the first? Where do I get up to with the next 2?
3.
The third position. Because this 5 was my first number. How many 6s are there according to the table? 2. So my second number is going to be 6. My third number is also going to be 6. What position am I going to get up to with these 4 7s? Third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7th position. 7th, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14th position is to the end there. Mr. T, how the heck does that help us out finding the median? Well, what can we see here? The numbers, the 8th number is going to be 8. The 9th number is going to be 8. The 10th number is going to be 8. So what's halfway between 8 and 8? What's the average of 8 and 8? 8 plus 8 divided by 2. What's the still? No? 8 plus 8, 16. Divided by 2, still going to be 8. So the median is going to be 8. Then lastly, mode. Mode is the most common. Which one is the most common fitness level?
8.
8. Because why? Because the frequency was 7. So find the class mode, fitness level, fitness.
And then they're all on average about 8.
Yes, it's around 8. Okay? So I'll stop the recording there.